auspices. When nature's 4 most powerful ingredients come together, they create the ultimate key to wellness. Today, black seed, fermented garlic, raw honey, and Iranian saffron. This mixture can completely transform it. But to get the real benefits, knowing the correct preparation and consumption rules is vital. Let's start. Tip 1. Quality of ingredients. The honey must be 100% raw and unpasteurized. Be careful when buying saffron. Always choose grade 1 or Sargol Iranian saffron. To ensure your black seeds must be clean and dust-free. These tiny seeds are the powerhouse of the entire recipe. Tip 2. The fermentation. Do not eat the raw garlic and honey immediately. You must let it sit and for slows. After a few days, you will see tiny bubbles rising. This means fermentation is active. And sirs. Tip 3. Choosing the jar. Never use plastic or metal. Always use a glass jar to prevent any Tip 4. The timing. Do not add the black seeds at the very beginning of the fermentation process.
Tip 5. When to eat. The absolute best time to consume this is early in the morning, on an empty stomach. Moderation is key. Just take 1 teaspoon of the mixture along with 1 clove of the fermented garlic. This helps kickstart your metabolism and aids in absorption. Tip 6. Spoon hygiene. Never introduce water into the jar. Using a wet spoon can cause safe and hygienic practice. Always use a completely dry, clean spoon. A wooden spoon is traditionally preferred for honey. Pregnant women should avoid this without a doctor's advice, as black seed and saffron can generate body heat.
If you have low blood pressure or have an upcoming surgery, please consult your physician before adding garlics. Tip 8. The saffron hack. Instead of adding dry threads, soak the saffron in a little warm water first. Then, pour that golden liquid into your mixture. This ensures the saffron's benefits are even assured. Tip 9. Storage. Once fermented, you can store it at room refrigeration is usually not necessary. If the honey crystallizes or freezes in winter, don't worry. This is a sign of purity. You can Tip 10. Patience. Natural remedies are not magic wands. They work by building your body up over time.
To see visible results and feel the change in your energy, consistency is key. Stick to it, Lang. This blend works to rejuvenate your cells and strengthen your body's natural defense mechanisms. Many users also report better sleep quality and reduced fatigue throughout the day. So, invest in your health today. Make a batch of this natural superfood for you and your family.